What's up guys, it's me, your Jimmy Geek. So here's my Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. Literally, I love it. But what about the multi-touch? Let me open the multi-touch application and demonstrate to you the multi-touch. One, two, one. Two is working. Two is working. Two multi-touch is working. Five is working. Five is working. Literally, it's working. Five is working. 10. So you got a 10 multi-touch. I mean, literally 10 multi-touch. Wow, isn't that awesome? It was me, Gmail, for this 10 multi-touch on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. Subscribe and bye. Make sure to check out my in-depth review.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي